Hello and welcome to SSH, your one-stop channel for everything networking and technology. In today's video, we'll be learning how to configure and test SSH on a Cisco router using Cisco Packet Tracer. SSH is a secure way to manage your network devices, encrypting all data to protect it from prying eyes. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to enable SSH, but also how to test and troubleshoot it effectively. So, grab your notes, follow along, and let us get started. Step 1. Setting up the basics. First, let us begin by setting up some basic configurations. We'll set a hostname and domain name for our router. This step is crucial because SSH relies on these settings to generate encryption keys. Let's configure the hostname by entering Global Configuration Mode and typing Enable. Configure Terminal. Assign a suitable hostname like this. Hostname HORouter. Sleep 2. Configure the domain name. IP domain name mydomain.com. The domain name helps identify the router in the network. Now, let me know in the comments, what hostname and domain name do you use for your devices? Step 2. Generating RSA keys. Next, we generate RSA keys, which are essential for encrypting our SSH sessions. Type Crypto Key Generate RSA. When prompted for the key size, I recommend choosing 2048 bits. It's a good balance between security and performance. Here's a question for you. Do you know why a larger key size, like 4096 bits, might not always be ideal? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Step 3. Creating a local user. Now, we need to create a local user account. This account will be used to log in via SSH. Type the following. Username admin privilege 15 secret mypassword. Make sure to use a strong password. I've chosen a mypassword for this demo, but in real environments, always pick something more secure. Quick question. Why do you think privilege level 15 is used here? Let me know in the comments. Step 4. Configuring VTY lines for SSH. Now, let enable SSH on the VTY lines, the virtual interfaces used for remote access. Line VTY04. Transport input SSH. Login local. And that's it. This tells the router to only allow SSH connections and to authenticate users using the local database. Avoid using transport input all unless you want to enable less secure methods like telnet. Any guesses why this might be risky? Type your answers in comments. Step 5. Enabling SSH version 2. SSH version 2 is more secure and supports modern cryptographic algorithms. Let enable it with IP SSH version 2. And that's it. Your router is now ready to accept SSH connections. Step 6. Saving the configuration. Before we move on, let you save our configuration to ensure the changes persist after a reboot. Exit configuration mode by typing end. Then, save the settings with write memory or copy running config startup config. Always save your configurations, it's a good habit for any network admin. Step 7. Testing SSH access. Now, the moment of truth. Let us test our SSH setup. Use an SSH client from the desktop of a PC in Cisco Packet Tracer. Enter your password and password. If everything is configured correctly, you should see the router prompt. If you're testing along, let me know in the comments, did you connect successfully? If not, stay tuned for troubleshooting tips. Step 8. Troubleshooting tips. If you run into issues, here are some quick troubleshooting steps. 1. Use Show Running Config to review your settings. 2. Check the SSH status with Show IP SSH. Let me know in the comments which step helped you resolve the issue. Congratulations! You've successfully configured and tested SSH on your Cisco router. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SysTech, and hit the notification bell for more networking tutorials. Got questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure, stay connected.